G'day guys, it's Jack here again from BBQ Pit Boys, and we're at the wrap/boating stage. So as you can see, I've had my tethering option set up here for a while now. The reason why I wanted to do the tethering option is because there's been a bit of feedback lately on the quality of the range and whatnot, and I simply wanted to prove that Bluetooth's Bluetooth. The technology of Bluetooth hasn't changed since it's been brought out, and that it doesn't matter whether it's AirPods to the thermometers to whatever it is, that the Bluetooth is only as strong as the signal that it's got and the range that it works between. Now these pins work on the 2.4 gigahertz frequency, RF frequency, radio frequency, which a lot of common devices use. So your Wi-Fi at home, your baby monitors, your garage doors, they all sort of work on the same radio frequency. That's where you can get the signal interference. But having this set up, I had my barbecue right here. Having that with the lid closed, I was able to get 3 meters of range to my iPad, and then from my iPad I was able to get an additional 10 meters to my phone. Now, as you can see by the close to target thing, it's been running for about 4 hours and 35 minutes. I did have a target set of 71, but I was always told by a couple of inspirational pitmasters that if it's been longer than 4 hours and sort of getting close to 5 hours, that it's basically time to wrap it. As you can see, it's passed the scratch test and it's ready to roll. So all I'm simply doing now is I'm going to take out the old pin, which has been going for about 4.5 hours. It's gone into the red. I reckon it could probably go a little bit longer. They do say that they run for 4 hours, but I still believe that's hot and fast and not low and slow. Simply putting it back into the same hole that the other one went out in. And then, as you can see here, it says low batteries popped up. Do you want to pause the cook or change the probe? So all we're simply doing is changing the probe, changing it to rest, and now that's going to continue going until it hits my desired temperature. I want that to come out at about 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and I think that's in the 90s, I believe, for Celsius. I'd have to Google it. I'm used to doing everything via Fahrenheit, so I think it's about 98°C is what we want. But as you can see, the pin's picking back up. It's running through nicely. All I'm going to do now is, now that I've finished that, I'm going to boat it. Cheers Dean Monk for your help and tips and advice on this one. A little bit of butter, and then I'm just going to wrap that and put that back into the barbecue, and that's about it. Thanks guys.